absolutely stunning. These are the oldest rocks in Scotland. Part of your Ceannabeinne gneiss complex. They formed deep within the crust and just about 1 point melted. They're up to 3 billion years old. And they formed in that crust, right? And they're found in Scotland. The reason they're called a complex, the Ceannabeinne complex, is because they're complicated, so their history is very fucked up. In like the best terminology that I can put it. These things here, you notice how it goes in and like out, those are called boudins. Now boudins are stretched pieces of rock, and that used to be probably part of the Ceannabeinne gneiss, the Ceannabeinne dikes, which is amphibolite that once upon a time kind of shot through these pink kind of rocks here, which is your Ceannabeinne gneiss. Originally these rocks were granite and granodiorite, with sometimes little pieces of limestone, sandstone, siltstone squeezed in between them. They've been metamorphosed several times over and over again, so they've been polymetamorphosed, that's what that means. And they've been buried deep within several different mountain belts. And they're now brought up to the surface today because erosion is taking place. But these are my favourite, absolutely my favourite kind of rock, especially when I'm up here in the Northwest Highlands. They're found across the Northwest Highlands, and you can also find pegmatite veins running through them. See this? The coarser grained crystals. The reason they're coarser grained is because they've grown over geological time, like they've had time to grow, and these pegmatite veins were once magmatic, and they've ran through the rock and then crystallised at a later date. Come, girls! Notice how the pegmatites cut through the rock. Absolutely fascinating, brilliant. I can just stay here forever. Stay here in this little wee spot.